How to remove or change credit card on ChatGPT 2026 Easy Guide. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to remove or change your credit card on ChatGPT in 2026. Whether you subscribed on the web, iPhone, or Android. Welcome back, everyone. Whether your card expired, you got a new bank, or you just want to remove your payment details completely, this is the easiest guide you will find. The whole process takes 2 to 3 minutes once you know where to go. Let's get into it. Step 1. Change or update your card on the ChatGPT website. Go to chat.com and log in. Click your profile icon in the bottom left corner, then select Settings. Select the Account tab, then click on Payment, then select Manage. This opens a Stripe-hosted billing page. Click Add Payment Method and enter your new card details, including card number, expiry, CVV, and billing address. Once added, set the new card as your default payment method and you are done. Your next billing cycle will charge the new card automatically. Step 2. Remove your credit card completely on the web. If you want to fully remove your card, you need to know one important thing. If you have an active or recurring subscription, the system may prevent removing the payment method until the subscription is canceled or replaced. So cancel your subscription first. Go to Settings, click Manage My Subscription, and click Cancel Plan. Once the cancellation is confirmed, go back to Payment Methods, select the linked card, and click Delete. If there is no Delete button, cancel the subscription first, then refresh the page and try again. Check your email for the subscription cancellation confirmation and save a screenshot for your records. Step 3. Remove or change your card if you subscribed on iPhone. If you subscribed through the App Store, actions on the OpenAI website will not work. You must manage everything through your Apple ID. Open your iPhone settings, tap your Apple ID at the top, then tap Subscriptions. Select ChatGPT and cancel the subscription. Then go to Payment and Shipping under your Apple ID to remove or update the card linked to your Apple account. Step 4. Remove or change your card if you subscribed on Android. Open the Google Play Store app. Tap your profile icon, then go to Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions. Find ChatGPT and cancel the subscription. Then go back to Payments and Subscriptions, tap Payment Methods, select the saved card, and tap Remove Payment Method. Now here is your pro tip. If you delete the card first while the subscription is still active, the system may still try to charge another payment method. Always cancel the subscription first, then remove the card second. Also, removing a payment method does not erase past invoices. Billing records are retained for accounting and support purposes. And if you suspect fraud or unauthorized charges, contact OpenAI support through the Help Center immediately and include relevant transaction details so the team can investigate. And that is a wrap. Today you learned how to change your card on the ChatGPT website through the Stripe billing page, how to fully remove your card by canceling first, then deleting, how to manage your card through Apple ID if you subscribed on iPhone, and how to manage it through Google Play if you subscribed on Android. If this video saved you time, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me which method worked for you. See you in the next one.